Oh, hi there, everyone. It's Whimsical Wednesday, and I have for you another quick fix meal.
All right, family and friends, welcome to my kitchen. It's my quick fix Wednesday, and today I will be doing plantain fries. Now, in the Caribbean, we use a lot of plantains in our diet, and this is just a new and innovative way that you can add plantain to your diet. The kids will love it. They will love these plantain fries because the plantain has a natural sweet flavor and they will enjoy it as a side dish. Do not use the well-ripe plantain. You just want to use them as soon as they start turning yellow. The skin started turning yellow. So you'll get your plantain chips. Sorry, you'll get your plantain fries firm. So you'll get the nice finish of the fries when you are done. Now, guys, please remember, press that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so as soon as I upload a video, you will be notified. Follow me on Instagram at Wims2020 and like my page on Facebook, Walking in My Mother's Shoe. Remember, leave your comment, guys, in the section below. Share this video with your friends and encourage them to subscribe. Now, guys, I have all my plantains cut in fry size, and now I'm gonna get to the seasoning of the fries. Now, whatever powder season you want to add to it, it's really up to you. For me, I'm using garlic salt, I'm using my Creole season, and I'm gonna drop the link in the description box, people. That Creole seasoning your bud. But remember, you want to be careful with your salt intake because it is very high in sodium. Just a pinch of salt, some black pepper. I'm gonna just stir this in. This is to ensure that my fries are well seasoned, and I'm gonna spray on just a little bit of non-stick spray to it and then transfer it to the pot. Now, as you see before, guys, I'm doing some fried fish. I'm doing 2 fried fish to go with my fries, and it is lovely so far. You can smell the flavor, the plantain flavor with the seasoning, and I've placed it in the hot oil so as to get my chips fried. Now be careful with your heat, guys. You want it to be on medium high because the plantain burns easily and you want your fries to cook through properly. After done frying on all sides and you get that all even brown look, you want to place it on a grease paper to dry or your paper towel. It doesn't have to get fancy. Just put your fries to drain. If you want to use a frying basket, it's up to you. But this is just one plantain, so I don't need to go through all that trouble. No. So friends, this is all done. Dinner is ready. I've just sauteed some onions to place over my fried fish to add for additional flavors. I am sure you enjoyed the time in the kitchen with me. Now look at the fries, guys. They are inviting. They look quite appetizing, and I've added some tomato slices and cucumber to the meal, and guys, it goes well. It's once again another of my mother's favorite, from my pot, my kitchen, onto my daughter's table. Before I go, guys, I leave you with the food for thought. It's knowing your worth. Isaiah 43 verse 4. Since you are precious and honored in my sight, and because I love you, I will give nations in exchange for your life. If you have not subscribed yet, guys, please do so right now. Thank you for watching.